Zeraki learning obiro kod kata biro tiyo kanyakla mar konyo jopuonjre mag skunde goeko mag sekondar yudo puonj ma jopuonjre biro puonjogi kokalo video lessons. Chenro makamano ero mabende ibiro tim kokalo yor mbui igeno ni biro chiwo thuolo ne jopuonjre yudo puonj ewi topics ka topic mag subjects mabende gitimo kendo bende ibiro chiwnegi penj kaeto inono penj goeko gino ero mabende biro miyo jopuonjre ng'eyo kata yango kuonde mabende ok giwinji kata gionge kod rieko makare. Lony makamano ero bende biro chiwo thuolo ne jonyuol yango kaka nyithindegi kata jopuonjre magi somo mago eko gin academic records. Ka janyuol bende biro mana tiyo kod omenda maromo shillings 20 kende timo subscription ne donjo app no ero mano mar My Safaricom app mabende jopuonjre go eko biro tiyo godo yudo lessons kata yudo puonj makamago eko.
Eric Oude. I'm a co-founder and the chief operating officer at Zeraki. And Zeraki basically develops technologies that support teaching and learning in high schools. So we operate at the intersection of education and technology to provide tools that empower students, teachers, and parents to achieve their educational goals. So with regards to Zeraki Learning, the idea for us was to develop a video-based learning platform that allows for interaction between students, teachers, and parents. And the thinking is, if you look at a typical classroom, students have different learning needs. So at some point, some students will fall behind. And because there's not enough resources in schools, teachers are not able to provide individualized attention for each of the students. So there are students that might need to repeat a concept twice or 3 times. And by the time they're looking at it the 4th time, they're oh, so this is what it's about. But because the teacher is not able to do that, then those students miss out. So what we wanted to do was then to work with Kenyan teachers to develop Kenyan content for Kenyan students that then teachers can use to supplement what they are doing in the classroom. But because the platform is also integrated with in diagnostic tools, then it allows the student to be able to track their performance in the curriculum. So I might, for example, find out that the reason why a student is not doing well in chemistry is because they are not studying chemistry, or because they are studying chemistry, but there are specific sections in chemistry where they are not doing well. So at that particular point, then as a teacher or as a parent, I want to come up with support for this particular student. I know where to focus that effort. 15 subjects on the platform. So most of the high school subjects, all the compulsory subjects, and most of the optional subjects. So the repository has 15 high school subjects and has content from Form 1 to Form 4 in all the subject areas.